Namaskar. Welcome to yet another very special Ask RBH program on this Pink Heart 2.0. Today we have Dr. Sunil Beniwal, Additional Director Cardiology in Rukmini Billah Hospital. Thank you, sir. Thank you for taking out this time.
Most welcome, sir.
Sir, on this World Heart Day 2021, our initiative is Pink Heart 2.0. Now we have been talking with a lot of doctors and we are able to understand in Jaipur how technology and medical science has advanced. So while we are discussing about this advancement in medical sciences, especially in cardiac care, we are finding that kahin na kahin heart attack ya to cardiac emergency, people are still little confused. So while the city is ready to tackle all this kind of very advanced situation, why do you think an awareness is still required when it comes to a heart attack?
This is a very nice question, Abhishek. Awareness is required because the heart attack is a condition. Most of the time it comes suddenly, and most of the time the person who affected by the heart attack is not prepared for the heart attack. So to identify the symptoms and recognizing that there is some issues, this may take some times and may waste some valuable time, we can say. So to aware our population, our persons, especially in Jaipur where all the facilities for the advanced cardiac care is available, is think that the patient should accept and identify their symptoms so that they can avail their the facilities, they can recognize their symptoms and they can reach the hospital on time. So that's why the motive of the Pink Heart 2.0 program is that in the Pink City we should aware our populations, our public, that the heart attack is almost always comes suddenly, and many times we are not prepared. We are not in a situation that we are accept that I am suffering from heart attack, there is some heart issue. So by creating awareness, we can prepare our persons to accept heart attack and to what he and she can do at the time of this event. So this is the purpose of Pink Heart 2.0, to educate our public about the heart diseases and the heart attack.
Thank you, sir. So now Jaipur, you obviously by now must be knowing that why this awareness campaign. So as Dr. Beniwal said, that heart attack bol ke to aayega nahi. So heart attack will just hit. So sir, even before we start with the rest of the technical part of heart attack, first let's understand what is heart attack, or ये heart attack क्यों होता है? I mean, is there any way to prevent?
Yeah, again a very nice question. Just a basic understanding, heart attack is a disease in which the arteries, heart पूरे body को blood देता है. We need oxygenated blood in each and every part of our body, और heart को भी काम करने के लिए they need some blood. Okay. और इस ब्लड को देने के लिए there are 3 arteries in each and every person. तो जो इन 3 arteries हैं उनमें से अचानक suddenly, I am using the word suddenly, it means कि इन 3 arteries में से अचानक कोई artery अगर बंद हो जाती है, 100% बंद हो जाती है, तो उस कंडीशन को हम हार्ट अटैक बोलते हैं. सो हार्ट अटैक इज ए कंडीशन, इसमें हार्ट की 3 नाड़ी में से एक भी नाड़ी अचानक बंद हो गई और हार्ट के एक हिस्से को ब्लड मिलना बंद हो गया है. तो दिस इज हार्ट अटैक. तो दिस इज द बेसिक कंसेप्ट. Why this happens? There are various reasons. There is not a single cause of heart attack. लेकिन यहाँ बहुत सारे कारण होते हैं. उसमें एज एक रीज़न है, उसमें मेल्स में फीमेल्स के लिए हार्ट अटैक ज़्यादा होता है, वो एक रीज़न है. अगर मॉडिफाइबल फैक्टर की बात करूँ जिनको हम कम कर सकते हैं, तो डायबिटीज़ है, स्मोकिंग है, हाइपरटेंशन है, डिस्लिपिडीमिया है, ओबेसिटी है, फिजिकल इनएक्टिविटी है. All these reasons slowly cause the blockage in our heart, and one day this may lead to the heart attack. So इन सब जो रिस्क फैक्टर्स हैं इनको हम हमारी बॉडी में आइडेंटिफाई करें, और इफ इनको अगर कंट्रोल करके रखें, देन हार्ट डिजीज इज़ ए वेरी प्रिवेंटेबल थिंग. सो आइडेंटिफाई योर रिस्क फैक्टर्स and then control them. It is a preventive method for the heart attack.
So sir, you talked about risk factors, you talked about diabetes, hypertension, you talked about lifestyle. You also talked about it is very much preventable. Control is the word you said, that if we keep things under control which are creating a problem within our body or which can create a problem, then a heart attack or a heart disease is completely preventable. Now, so factors we understood that it is preventable, but then when there is a heart attack, when a heart attack strikes, how do we know? There must be some symptoms. So what are those symptoms? Ideally, I will tell you that all these cinema movies where heart attack मतलब ऐसे छाती पकड़ के people will just collapse. But is it only a pain in chest, or there are other symptoms which are important to know to identify a heart attack?
So again, a very basic and very important question, then how to identify heart attack. So as you said, the most common symptom of heart attack is chest pain. Yes, it is the most common symptom. The chest pain is slightly different from the other types of pain we feel. That the chest pain occurs with heart attack. Usually we could not localize that pain. We can't tell that pain is यहाँ से हो रहा है, यहाँ से हो रहा है. Most of the time pain is deep inside my chest. If I want to feel it, I couldn't feel it. The pain is deep inside my chest. The pain is associated with some type of heaviness, like someone is putting a weight on my chest, so I feel some heaviness, some pressure in my chest. So this pain is slightly different from the routine pain, which can be occurred with muscular pain or some muscle spasm हो गया या कोई cervical की वजह से spondylosis की वजह से pain हो रहा है. So that pain you can pinpoint कि यहाँ पे ये वाला दर्द है. But at heart attack, most of the time the pain is deep inside chest and associated with heaviness and pressure. The pain, the site of the pain, it may be from up to the jaw, up to the umbilicus. The pain may vary from the up to the jaw, up to the umbilicus. Both the arms can go to the left arm and can go up to the fingertips, but it can occur between the umbilicus to the jaw. So heart attack pain in different persons it present differently. Other than the chest pain, we can say that most of these patients feel chest discomfort, 70 to 80%, but 10 to 20% may not feel chest discomfort. They may have a diabetes, or they may have more tolerance to their pain, so they may not feel pain. In these patients, they only feel dyspnea, सांस लेने में तकलीफ, they can feel kind of thing. They may feel diaphoresis, perspiration, unusual perspiration. They are not surrounding kind of thing that may cause perspiration, but patient feel perspiration suddenly. Sometimes they also feel a sensation of impending doom. We say the word is used. Impending doom means they feel like that सब कुछ खत्म होने वाला है. There is something which is going to collapse. So these type of the symptoms may be caused by the heart attack. So there is not a single thing presentation कि इसी तरह से होगा. There are variable presentation, but what we have to think that if I have a risk factors, I am a diabetic patient, I am a hypertension patient, I have a smoker, my family has many patients in my family have a heart attack, I have strong family history. In these type of the risk factors, if I have, and I am feeling some chest discomfort which is unusual, not a usual pain in day-to-day scenario, it is unusual symptom, sometimes new in my life. So if we feel that type of symptom, we should rush to a nearby hospital or facility where the cardiac facilities or cardiac workup is available. So this is my take home.
Okay, sir. So we understand that it is not only chest pain. It can be there are various reasons or various symptoms of heart attack. Now that we know that we say that okay, it might be a heart attack. So what are those do's and don'ts when you identify a potential heart attack?
As we already discussed that is an emergency and we should not waste our time, because this is a emergency and time is very much important here. So if we are thinking that this might be heart attack or this is an unusual kind of pain, the most important thing to do is just to call for help if it is available, any friend, any relative, in the family member, and just say them I am feeling uncomfortable and please we should go to the hospital. So nearest hospital where the cardiac facility available, like Rukmani Bill Hospital where 24 hours into 7 emergencies available, any nearby center where these facility available, we should rush to that hospital. They just do their electrocardiogram. When you reach to the hospital, they immediately do their electrocardiogram. If ECG is abnormal, then definitely we diagnose that you have a heart attack and they give you the medicine which you requires and the steps they have to take. So we save our time. Okay. In case if there is not a heart attack, the ECG is not changing much, ECG near normal, then we are quite sure, 98% we are sure that if I am feeling chest discomfort but ECG normal, there are very less chances of having heart attack now. We can wait for the 1 to 2 hours in a ER room also, and then they can repeat your ECG or do some blood tests, and if everything is normal, then they do for other causes of this chest discomfort. This chest discomfort may be because of the gastritis, acid disease, acid peptic disease, this may be muscular pain, this may be cervical pain. There are various reasons, but they work on once they have excluded the heart attack. So the most important do is to call for the help and rush to a center which has a sufficient cardiovascular facility to diagnose. Don't, again, the contrary of that, we should not waste time, we should not try our home remedies, because the chest pain, all the chest pain what you are feeling is not a heart attack. Okay, so we can't label each and every chest pain as a heart attack. I just want to share a roughly example. If 100 patients comes to my emergency in ER, they all not are suffering from the heart attack. Only 10% may be having a heart attack, 90% will not having heart attack. So just to taking them Dispirine, they may aggravate the acid peptic disease symptom or may perforate your intestine. So the first thing is just to save the time, rush to the hospital, get your electrocardiogram done, and after the ECG is fine, then we look for the other symptoms. So important thing again here it is to save the time is the most thing to do.
Thank you, sir, for this letting us know the various do's and don'ts for a heart attack. Now we always wanted to know that what are the treatment options available? How do we tackle heart attack?
This is a very important question. Just to understand how we again go into the basic concept. The heart attack is a condition in which one of our arteries which is supplying the blood to the heart is blocked suddenly, immediately. तो जब हार्ट की एक नस बंद हो गई है, द कॉज इज दैट एक नस बंद हो गई, आर्टरी इमीडिएटली बंद हो गई, सडनली बंद हो गई, तो द ट्रीटमेंट इज जस्ट टू इमीडिएटली ओपन दैट आर्टरी. जितना जल्दी हम उस आर्टरी को ओपन कर पाएंगे उतना ही अपने हार्ट को सेव कर पाएंगे, उसके कॉम्प्लिकेशन को कम कर पाएंगे. सो हेयर वी आल्सो सेड दैट देयर इज ए रूल ऑफ गोल्डन आवर कि अगर हम इमीडिएटली हार्ट अटैक के विद इन 1 आवर हमने आर्टरी अगर खोल दी, ओपन कर दी किसी रेमेडी से, तो हार्ट नियर नॉर्मल सा ही रह जाता है. तो हार्ट का दी आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द हार्ट अटैक विल नॉट बी सीन ऑन दैट पेशेंट, जो कि गोल्डन हार्ट में ट्रीटमेंट जिसका हो गया. द ट्रीटमेंट रेमेडीज़ हमारे पास में हार्ट अटैक के लिए मोटे मोटे तौर पे 2 मैं डिवाइड करना चाहूँगा. द वन विच इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन एंड विच इज़ वेरी सक्सेसफुल वन इज़ द प्राइमरी एंजियोप्लास्टी. प्राइमरी एंजियोप्लास्टी में क्या होता है कि जो पेशेंट आपके हार्ट अटैक का चेस्ट डिस्कम्फर्ट के साथ में आते हैं, हम लोग ECG करते हैं, ECG में व्हेन वी आइडेंटिफाई दैट दिस इज़ ए हार्ट अटैक, तो इमीडिएटली हम पेशेंट को कैथ लैब में लेते हैं, डू ए एंजियोग्राम, और जो भी आर्टरी बंद मिलती है 100% बंद मिलती है, इमीडिएटली उसको पहले थ्रोम्बोसेक्शन करते हैं, देन वे पुट ए स्टेंट देयर और आर्टरी में फ्लो मेंटेन कर देते हैं. तो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल, मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड एंड मोस्ट एफिशिएंट ट्रीटमेंट मोडलिटी ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. सो अगर हम जैसे जयपुर में हम रह रहे हैं, वेर इन जयपुर, तो जयपुर में ये फैसिलिटीज़ ऑल अराउंड अवेलेबल है. सो एंड इट इज़ ए वेरी सक्सेसफुल ऑल्सो. सो जयपुर की अगर बात करें तो हमको इमीडिएटली वी शुड रश फॉर दैट प्राइमरी एंजियोप्लास्टी थिंग. इन सम एरिया वेयर दिस फैसिलिटी इज नॉट अवेलेबल और सम रिमोट एरियाज देयर आर अदर ऑप्शन अवेलेबल विच इज़ जो हम बोलते हैं थ्रोम्बोलाइसिस. तो थ्रोम्बोलाइसिस में क्या होता है कि हार्ट अटैक के टाइम पे जब हम बोलते हैं सडनली आर्टरी बंद हुई, तो सडनली का रीज़न होता है थ्रोम्बस फॉर्मेशन की. हार्ट की नसों में ब्लॉकेज तो था ही, वहाँ अचानक से खून का थक्का बन गया, थ्रोम्बस बन गया. तो देयर आर सम मेडिकल ड्रग्स, इंट्रावेनस इंजेक्शंस अवेलेबल जो कि थ्रोम्बोलाइसिस का काम करते हैं, मीन्स जो खून का थक्का थ्रोम्बस बना है उसको घोलने का काम करते हैं. सो अगर प्राइमरी एंजियोप्लास्टिक फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल नहीं है और हम थोड़ा रिमोट एरिया में है, तो वहाँ पे मोस्टली इस तरह के इंजेक्शंस डॉक्टर प्रेस्क्राइब करते हैं और मिल जाते हैं. वो इंजेक्शन क्या काम करता है कि जो ब्लड का क्लॉट बना जिसने हार्ट की नाड़ी को भी बंद किया इमीडिएटली, उसको डिज़ोल्व कर देते हैं. तो उसको डिज़ोल्व करने के बाद में वी हैव ए सम मोर टाइम, वी गेट सम बोनस टाइम दैट वी कैन गो टू ए फैसिलिटी वेयर एंजियोप्लास्टिक फैसिलिटी इज अवेलेबल, और वहाँ पे जाके हमारा एंजियोग्राम हो जाए, फिर स्टेंट डल जाए, ताकि जो बीच का जो टाइम स्पेंड हुआ, क्योंकि इज इट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि आफ्टर 6 to 12 hours आवर हार्ट मसल इज our heart, the part of the heart which is not supplied by any blood at the time of heart attack is becoming less and becoming weak, and after 12 hours to 20 hours it is almost dead. So after that we couldn't get anything. So the important thing is to rush immediately and do any treatment modality whatever available, and to save our heart muscles. So these are the two kinds of the treatment available all over, but in Jaipur I suggest primary angioplasty is the most successful and most trusted treatment for the heart attack.
Okay, great. So, sir, on this World Heart Day, requesting you to share your thoughts, your message with our audience.
On this occasion, I want to share the theme of World Heart Day 2021. And the theme is that we should increase more and more digital platform to increase the awareness, prevention and treatment of the heart disease, especially the heart attack and cardiac emergencies. So with these all digital platforms and our young generation is more mobile friendly or more digital friendly, so we are using that modality to aware our population what is heart attack. It can happen to the anyone, it almost always appears suddenly, and the time is very important to identify that symptom, and for the treatment time is very important. So just I want to aware about our young generation ki we should remain aware for the heart disease, and we should cut down our risk factors. We should identify our risk factors on our body, like we should identify diabetes, we should identify the hypertension, about the physical inactivity, about the obesity. We should not do smoke or alcohol. So we should identify our risk factors and cut down them or control them as good as possible for prevention of the heart disease. But once if it occurs as an emergency, we should identify that very early and should take treatment as early as possible. Thank you.
Sunil sir, thank you very much for taking out this time with us. Thank you.
Namaskar.